Hi there guys, another video. Been a long time again, I know. I'm just so busy now. New job, etc. Don't have much time. It's a shame, but hey, maybe after someone's all these shows and stuff are over with. Anyway, last weekend I came up and I cut the bottom off the battery box and I started grinding out the lip around the inside, but that's where as far as we've got. It's going to take me forever to do that, so I'm going to do that off camera now and hopefully update you as soon as I get that lip off and get that box out. We'll start cleaning it all up, ready for the new one, which is on the shelf just over there. So yeah, let's crack on. No waffling today. I need to get on now. Okay, so I got all of this side off and most of this side, and I've killed both of my angle grinders in the process. The switch has gone bad on one of them, and the other one, something's broken inside it, and it just keeps makes a horrific like clattering noise and locks up. So yeah, that's great. That's me done with this for today. But instead I'm going to get the wire wheel out on the drill and clean up the rust and the black paint off the magnum panel and get that ready to be painted. Obviously I need to grind down all the welds inside still, but I can't do that, believe it or not. So yeah, we'll just have to spend the rest of our day today cleaning up, and then I'll go get a new grinder in the morning. So yeah, fun stuff. I'll do a bit of time lapse next. I think watching stuff become clean is satisfying. So let's crack on. Right, that's where we're at for this one. I've cleaned up a lot of this side of the boot now, got rid of a lot of the rust. So yeah, that's good. I've got to say, grind all the welds down still. Slightly more cleaning to do, and then can get it in primer. Once the battery box, well, get it in primer and get the battery box in and all that good stuff. So yeah, it's annoying that the grinder's died, but hey ho. So yeah, that's where we're at now, but this has obviously been a really short video, so I think I'll combine tomorrow's work as well into this video. So yeah, probably be back in just a tick, and hopefully with a new grinder. Hi guys, the next day, 2 new replacement angle grinders. Hopefully we won't kill those ones off today. So yeah, we'll carry on getting out this battery box. Not got a huge amount of time today. I just had a bit of a lie-in this morning, so yeah, we'll just get done what we can. Hopefully, at least get all this lip off here and get it all cleaned up, ready for the new box. But we'll see, I guess. So let's get on with it. Okay, so let me just grab a torch actually. Quality magnum fitment as ever. Ow. Yeah, that's don't know how well you can see, absolute mile off fitting, but even when you push it flat in this corner, it makes it come up even further. It's like the box just isn't really square or the right shape at all, and I really can't be bothered to spend ridiculous amounts of time trying to make it fit like I did with the back half of the boot floor. So I think I'm just going to rip that out and grab a heritage one at work. So yeah, we'll not bother with that. It's just not worth the time, especially obviously when I get a bit of discount at work on heritage stuff. So yeah, we'll get rid of that. So for the rest of today now, I'm just going to try and grind out some of the welds that are inside the boot, so it's a bit closer ready for paint in here, because there's nothing much else I can do right now because I want to get that battery box done, but obviously I can't. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'll just get some welds ground down now until I want to go home. Okay then guys, that is me done for today. So yeah, got the battery box out and all the area around it cleaned up. Same goes for inside, and we got some of the seams inside cleaned up a bit as well. It's definitely not going to look as good as I was hoping it would have done. But hey, it's the boot, it's not going to get seen too much. Put a boot board in it, whatever. Kind of regret not just doing the full boot floor, but that is also a lot of work to get right, so whatever. As I said at the start, not going to be perfect, but hey, there we go, done it myself. So yeah, that's where we're at. That's it for this episode, and I might not be back for 2 weeks now, because next weekend I'm going on the Dale's mini run. By the time you've seen this video, that'll probably have been long gone anyway. So yeah, next week I'm going on the Dale's mini run, so the weekend after that, hopefully I'll be back at this. Also, just for those who haven't have seen on Facebook already, because by the time you see this I'll have probably already got one, getting a new daily suit. So yeah, that's fun. Right, yeah, so that'll do for today. Thanks for watching guys. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, catch you in the next video. Bye for now.